day two
of camp.
You guys like Camp Eek?
Yes.
Yes.
Look at the shorts. It's awesome.
Very cool shirts. Hold on. I like the shirt. So we just dropped the kids off at camp, and now we're headed to do some paperwork today. We're going to be headed over to the development department to, what are we going to do? Oops. Hold on. We are going to be headed to the development department to
see if we can get some permits, see what we have to do next. I honestly, I don't know. It's kind of confusing whether it's septic permit or development permit and then septic permit. So we're going to go talk to some people at the county, find out what we got to do.
So yeah, we've heard a couple different things. So we need to go there, figure out what we have to do next. I know one of the things we have to do is also get some paperwork for the firehouse, and then come and have the rural metro company fill it out, and then we sign up with them is one of the things.
Yeah, fire protection.
Yeah, so we have fire protection on the property. But what we want to do is we want to be able to get a septic inspection. But there's a lot that goes along with it. So we will see exactly what that entails. Okay, so we just left the planning department, and we found out a couple things that we need to have done. One of them is we need to come here to our rural metro fire department and sign up for fire insurance or fire protection with them. And the fire protection with them is $150 something a year, so really cheap. But then we also need to have this form filled out to prove that we have fire protection. Another thing that we need is we need to have an engineer control plan, just because of the soil that our property is on, and it's actually everything in that area needs that control plan. So we need that in order to build there and for us to put our septic. So how much was the permit? The permit for the planning department's only
$300.
$300. And it's good for 1 year, but as long as they see you're progressing and doing something, they will continue to extend it. And then after we get that, then we could get our septic. But we can't get either of those until we have this engineer. So we need to call some engineers, get some prices on that, and we'll see what that is. It's 105 today. What are we gonna do, guys? Since it's so hot. Chris.
Oh, hello. Hello, Camera.
Alina.
She said she's in hypothermia.
Hypothermia. Yeah, it's pretty cold. I think it's pointing at the sky.
Get your other shoe for it. Goes down the river. Alina, grab his shoe. Don't just
Why'd you do that?
Oh, this river is so beautiful. Just a few minutes away. That's why we're here.
That's the coolest shot I've ever
Let me
seen.
see. That is the coolest shot I've ever seen in my life.
See, that's one thing.
leave it I'm going to turn it over. Okay, go ahead.
Mom,
Okay.
don't put anything in there.
Another one coming?
Mm-hmm. Either of you boys want to sell?
What?
Either of you boys want to sell? Yeah.